Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something different. We want to go and check a property for a client that she wants us to help her like search for some property. So we want to go and check it out. So I'm going to be this particular property is situated in Jabi in Abuja. So Jabi is like an exclusive area in Abuja. It's one of the high end. So we are going to be looking at certain properties that we can see here. It's a particular estate, it's an exclusive estate. Okay, so nobody can just get into the estate, but we have a pass, so we're going to be going there. Just call them that I wanted to come and do inspection. So I'm going to be taking you guys along, so you have an idea what the cost of duplexes, 2 bedroom, like a general idea of how much it's going, the going rate in this particular environment. So let me say that, thank you. It is overlooking the Jabi Lake Mall, so it's a very pretty view. So I'm going to try to film as much as I can. You know that in such places they may not want you to really film, but I'm just going to try and see what I can show you guys. So you guys give this video a thumbs up, all right? And yeah, I'm going to say when we get there. So let's go on this house tour. Okay. So this is a 2 bedroom. What I like is the windows and the lighting. The lighting is so beautiful. I really like the lighting. So is this a master's? Okay. I love the windows. The windows are so big and the lighting is really nice. Okay, this is the height. Okay. This is really very nice. Okay, so it's 2 bedroom. This is the second. Does this one come with the kitchen?
No, I think somebody already got this place.
No.
Okay. It comes so fitted.
Yes.
Oh, this comes with the apartments.
Yes.
Okay. It's really very nice. I like this. This is nice. It's well done.
Heat extract.
Heat extractor is really very
But I
good.
want to use this before this. Let's open it from. Okay.
Okay, it's like a cupboard. This is nice. This is really nice.
So this is the second.
This is the second one. I just love the way they did the windows. And they manage this toilet very well. This is the main toilet.
Yes.
No, guest toilet.
This is guest toilet.
This is in the kitchen. And then guest room.
Okay, the kitchen is big.
Oh yeah, this top.
This
Which one is the master's?
massage is top.
Okay, it's upstairs.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Can we go upstairs?
Yes.
These are many rooms. Like a wash.
A bathroom. Is that a room? I didn't see it.
Then suits.
This is guest room. one is supposed to be guest area. Is that the one that I announced?
What's this place? Yeah, I like the windows. You guys just finished tour of inspection of the houses. So the view is so beautiful, like so very sweet. That money 9 kilo. You're overlooking the Jabi Lake. The duplex is how much? 19 million.
18.5.
18 point.
That's
Everything inclusive
fully
of
detached.
service charge and everything.
Everything, yeah.
Then 2 bedroom is
9 million.
9 million
And the
naira.
semi-detached is 15 million.
Semi-detached duplex
15
is
million.
15 million. Okay.
Fully detached.
Fully detached
18.5.
18.5. So yeah, so that's the cost of house in Jabi. That's like the rate here. So you have the money
Well, of course, there are cheaper houses for that house.
for that particular house, but
that
the
estate.
view and everything, the estate, the ambience, is it really worth it for 19 million? Is it really worth it?
For rent.
For rent.
I'll build it somewhere.
Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.